Today I'm sharing 10 tops that are perfect for spring layering, and they're all quick, easy projects you can start and finish in just a few sewing sessions. Plus, later in the video, I'll share a free pattern that you're gonna love. If you're ready to refresh your wardrobe for spring but don't want to tackle anything too overwhelming, these patterns are exactly what you need. So let's start with one of my absolute favorites. The Riley top is a woven boatneck crop that I'm absolutely obsessed with right now. So what makes this top special is the cinched waist with these adorable little ties at the sides. So I love that you don't have to tuck it in. It just looks amazing with high-waisted jeans or with skirts. For fabric, I'd recommend something light and floaty like linen or chambray. I'd make mine in a cotton lawn with a really pretty print on it. The shape is just so simple that I think a great print would really stand out. And a brightly colored linen would also look really cool, I think. Now let's talk about the Samson top, which I'm really excited about because it works with both woven and knit fabrics. This is such a versatile piece with its oversized fit and dropped shoulders. The boat neckline is also incredibly flattering and it hits right at the high hip, though you can totally adjust the length to suit your own style too. I'd make this for spring in a printed linen, but you could use anything from cotton lawn to French terry. I just think the simple lines would make a print really stand out. What I really love about this top is just how quickly it comes together, and these longer sleeves make it perfect for those slightly cooler spring days. Next up is the Loretta top, which I absolutely adore. So this is one of those patterns that makes an impact even though it's really easy to sew. You get these gorgeous flutter sleeves and what I think is the coolest feature, a neckline that you can wear either as a scoop neck or off the shoulder. I've actually made this one multiple times, both in the tunic length and then as a cropped blouse. And this is my favorite version in eyelet fabric, which gives it this really beautiful, just airy spring feeling. So if you're looking to make this, I'd recommend lightweight fabrics like lawn or double gauze. Anything that's gonna give those flutter sleeves some really beautiful movement. Let's move on to another favorite, the Wynn top. So this is such a versatile piece. It's a woven tie front crop that you can style in so many different ways. So the deep V neckline is super flattering and those slight gathers at the sleeve cap give it this beautiful feminine detail. It just reminds me of a vintage bed jacket, but in the best possible way. Here's what makes Wynn special. You've got these really thoughtful design details like front and back waist starts that give you beautiful shaping. The front is fully lined, which gives you this incredibly clean finish at the ties. For the back, we use a single fold bias tape finish, which keeps things nice and neat. A cotton lawn would be absolutely perfect for spring. You could also use something like a cotton gauze for a more casual look, or if you're feeling fancy, a silk would be absolutely gorgeous. Really, I think any light to medium weight woven fabric is gonna work beautifully here. Next up is Romie, and I have to tell you, this is one of those patterns that looks way more complicated than it actually is. So if you've been nervous about sewing blouses, this is such a great place to start because it's actually a pullover, so there's no tricky closures to worry about. The Peter Pan collar gives it this really sweet vintage-inspired look, but what makes it modern is the distinctive notched neckline with the ties. The sleeves are probably my favorite part. They have these beautiful gathers at the top and a hemband that gives them such a lovely shape. One thing I really love about Romie is the length. It hits right below your high hip, which means you can wear it tucked or you can wear it untucked. And it's perfect for those spring days when you want to look put together, but you still want to be really comfortable. Now let's talk about West, which is absolutely perfect if you're looking to sew your first button-up shirt. So what makes West special is this relaxed, oversized fit that's ideal for layering. And don't let the button-up style intimidate you. We've designed this with cut-on sleeves, which actually makes it much easier to sew than a traditional shirt with set-in sleeves. The back yoke has these beautiful gathers below it that just adds enough feminine detail to balance out the more utilitarian elements like the patch pockets. I absolutely love how it looks in chambray for spring, but you could also use something like a cotton lawn or even a soft rayon challis for a more drapey look. Now let's talk about the Cove sweater, which is perfect for those chilly spring mornings. This has such a modern, sophisticated vibe with its relaxed fit and the dropped shoulders. What really elevates it is this rolled collar detail. It makes it feel so much more polished than your average sweatshirt. I love this sweater in a French terry or a lightweight sweater knit. It pairs beautifully with the Palmer pants if you want a coordinated look, or just throw it on with your favorite jeans. The Jenny top is your perfect layering piece. So it's a fitted mock neck that shows off your curves in the best way. What I really love about this one is the yoke detail on the front and back. It adds just such a nice design element when you're wearing it on its own, but it also looks really amazing layered under other pieces. Personally, I wear a ton of long sleeve knit tops in cooler months, and I like having a couple in a light color to ease into spring. I also think this top would look great layered under the Ula dress, which is a double-breasted dress that I'd make in a denim for spring, and then I could wear it on its own once it warms up. For Jenny, make sure you choose a knit with good four-way stretch for this one. Bamboo jersey is a really great choice, or any knit with spandex for enough stretch and recovery. Let's talk about the Farah wrap top next. I'm actually making this one right now for my own spring wardrobe. This is such a versatile piece because you can wear it over your favorite cami, or you can wear it all by itself. It has these beautiful full-length sleeves and a bound neckline that extends into the waist tie. I really love how it accentuates curves while being really just incredibly comfortable. Try it in a bamboo jersey or a rib knit for the perfect drape. I'm making mine in a lightweight sweater knit in an ivory color so I can layer it year-round. You guys know I'm on a journey to have an 80% handmade wardrobe, so I really look for pieces that have a lot of versatility that can be worn in different ways throughout all the seasons. And now I have to tell you about the Madhu top, which you can get for free right now. So this is probably one of the quickest sews of the bunch. You can literally cut it out and wear it the same day. It's a cropped raglan with elastic finishing at the neckline, sleeves, and at the hem. So I'm planning to make one in white linen for spring, but it would also be really gorgeous in a cotton lawn or in a double gauze too. We rotate free patterns every season and we send them out exclusively to our mailing list, so check the link below to see where you can sign up to get this pattern, plus all the ones we offer in the future too. And speaking of quick spring sewing projects, if you want to see even more options for building your perfect spring wardrobe, including some super easy projects you can finish in just one day, watch this video next. I'll share 10 patterns you can sew in just a single day.